Hi, I'm Lorna from Wearably Weird, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to lace Air Max 90s in a standard style. Start by taking a balled up pair of socks and putting it underneath the sneaker tongue. This will make lacing them much easier as there'll be a bit of resistance there for you. Then go ahead and get your laces, and you want to thread the lace ends down into the two bottom eyelets from above, like I'm doing here. Now go slowly with this, take your time. You can put the video on half speed if you like, and just keep pausing as you go along if I'm going too quickly for you. Now you want to pull those lace ends through, so you have a little bar here, just like on the other shoe. Then you want to pull these lace ends taut and make sure that they're of equal length, if that makes sense. So I need to adjust mine very slightly to make sure they're of equal length. Then we're going to start by taking the lace on our left, and we're going to bring it across the sneaker tongue and up into the second eyelet from the bottom on the right side, just like this. Pull the lace through and make sure it's looking nice and straight and there's no creases. Pop that lace out the way, pick up the other lace end, bring it across the sneaker tongue and up into the eyelet up from the bottom on this side. Now you'll see we have our first little cross. Keep a hold of the lace on this side instead of swapping back. Bring it over the sneaker tongue and up into the next eyelet from underneath. Just like that. Then pop back to this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue and up into the next eyelet from underneath as well. Then we want to keep a hold of this lace, bring it over the sneaker tongue and up into this eyelet from underneath. So back to this guy, bring it across and up into the next eyelet up. Can be a bit fiddly, but take your time. Then again, bring it across the sneaker tongue and up into this eyelet from underneath. Same with this one. And now we're going to do something a little bit different. As the laces line up with the tongue loop here, we're going to start threading them into this. We're going to start with our lace on this side, bring it through the lace loop, like that. And then we're going to take it down into the next eyelet from above this time instead of up from underneath. So down into that one. And then we just want to pop this lace out the way, go back to this one, and we're going to bring it through the tongue loop as well. It can be a little fiddly, but take your time, make sure your laces aren't creasing. And then down into this eyelet here from above, just the same, and pull it through. Now I like to leave the top two eyelets empty, and that's a kind of classic look for the 90s. What you can do, if you really want them done, you can just carry on the pattern up. But at this stage, I would go ahead and just bow the laces and wear them as normal, or if you want a really crisp no lace look like you can see on this one, go ahead and bow your laces a little bit higher up the lace, like this, leaving an ample amount of room for them to just be tucked behind the tongue here and out of sight, and that gives you a really crisp no lace look and shouldn't bother the top of your feet. And there we have it. That's how to lace your Air Max 90s in a standard style. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button to help it reach more people, and enjoy your sneakers. Thanks.